How's it going? How are you? What's up? What's new or happening? Hey, what's the deal? What's happening or what's going on? Long time no see. We haven't seen each other in a while. Catch you later. See you later. Chill out. Relax. Hang in there. Don't give up, stay strong. No way. I can't believe it. You're kidding. You must be joking. That's cool. That's nice or impressive. Piece of cake. Something is easy to do. It's all good. Everything is okay or fine. I'm all ears. I'm listening attentively. Count me in. Include me or consider me participating. I'm beat. I'm exhausted or tired. Let's hit the road. Let's go. Let's leave. Hang on a sec. Wait a moment. You nailed it. You did it perfectly. That's a bummer. That's unfortunate. I'm broke. I don't have any money. I'm starving. I'm very hungry. Don't sweat it. Don't worry about it. You're the best. You're awesome or fantastic. I'm wiped out. I'm extremely tired. Take it easy. Relax or calm down. What's the scoop? What's the latest news or information? Let's wing it. Let's improvise or go without a plan. That's the ticket. That's exactly what's needed. Don't give up the ship. Don't surrender or keep trying. It's a piece of cake. It's easy to do. I'm hanging in there. I'm managing or coping despite difficulties. Don't get bent out of shape. Don't get upset or angry. That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's life or how things happen sometimes. What's the word? What's the latest news or update? I'm feeling under the weather. I'm not feeling well. Let's call it a day. Let's finish for now. You're pulling my leg. You're joking with me. I'm all thumbs. I'm clumsy or awkward. You're out of luck. You have no chance or opportunity. Keep your chin up. Stay optimistic or positive. It's not my cup of tea. It's not something I enjoy or prefer. I'm on cloud nine. I'm extremely happy. You're on thin ice. You're in a risky situation or close to trouble. That's a no-brainer. That's an obvious or easy decision. I'm swamped. I'm very busy or overwhelmed with work. I'm going bananas. I'm going crazy or losing patience. It's in the bag. It's guaranteed or certain to happen. Keep me posted. Keep me informed or updated. Let's cut to the chase. Let's get to the point or skip the unnecessary details. That's a game changer. That's something that significantly alters a situation. You're walking on thin ice. You're in a risky situation. I'm beat. I'm exhausted. It's a breeze. It's easy. That's a rip-off. That's overpriced or unfair. I'm all ears. I'm listening carefully. That's a piece of cake. That's easy. He's all bark and no bite. He's not as tough as he seems. I'm bushed. I'm exhausted. That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's how things happen sometimes. She's a piece of work. She's difficult or challenging. He's loaded. He's rich. She's a couch potato. She's lazy or inactive. It's a no-brainer. It's obvious. He's pulling your leg. He's teasing you. She's all thumbs. She's clumsy. That's water under the bridge. That's in the past and doesn't matter anymore. He's rolling in dough. He's very wealthy. She's feeling blue. She's sad or depressed. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult to understand. He's a heartbreaker. He breaks people's hearts, usually romantically. She's living on cloud nine. She's extremely happy. That's my cup of tea. That's something I enjoy. He's in hot water. He's in trouble. She's down to earth. She's humble and easy to relate to. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining heavily. He's a party animal. He loves to party and have a good time. She's a night owl. She stays up late at night. It's the last straw. It's the final irritation or annoyance. He's a penny pincher. He's very frugal or cheap. She's a busy bee. She's very industrious or hardworking. It's not worth a dime. It's worthless. He's a couch potato. He's lazy. She's a social butterfly. She's very sociable and enjoys socializing. It's the bee's knees. It's excellent or outstanding. He's barking up the wrong tree. He's pursuing the wrong course of action. She's on cloud nine. She's very happy. It's a piece of pie. It's very easy. He's a basket case. He's emotionally unstable. She's a breath of fresh air. She's refreshing or invigorating. It's a walk in the park. It's effortless or easy. He's a chip off the old block. He's similar in character or behavior to his parent. She's the apple of his eye. She's cherished or loved above all others. It's a shot in the dark. It's a guess or attempt with little chance of success. He's a rolling stone. He doesn't settle in one place or job for long. She's a sight for sore eyes. She's a welcome and pleasant sight. It's a wild goose chase. It's a futile pursuit or search. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing. He appears harmless, but is actually dangerous or deceitful. She's a tough cookie. She's resilient and strong-willed. It's a pain in the neck. It's annoying or troublesome. He's a diamond in the rough. He has great potential despite rough exterior or circumstances.